I'm the Indecisive Gardener who cannot make up her mind. It's a woman thing. And welcome to my channel. I'm Stacy Jo. If you don't know me, and if you do know me, thank you for coming back. I hope to see you again in the comments. And yeah, let's get this show rolling. By the time I get this posted, it's gonna be Independence Day, also known as 4th of July, where Americans get together, have their barbecues, and celebrate with fireworks. Well, I'm going to explain what Independence Day truly means. On July 4th, 1776, a document, which was the Declaration of Independence. This document was approved by the Continental Congress, and that announced the separation of 13 North American British colonies from Great Britain. These 13 colonies had the right to be free and be independent states. Okay, I'm going to get on my soapbox now. Some of us Americans have been brainwashed to think this holiday is for rednecks. It is not. It is for all Americans. In the last 4 years, actually here on the West Coast, it's been more than 4 years, they have tried to take our freedoms away. They want to take away certain liberties that we need to protect ourselves. And I'm not talking just about pew-pews. I'm talking about freedom of speech. The right to be able to express myself, how I feel, and not feel like I'm being judged from those who think, oh, that's not what I believe in. Thank you, ladies. Our voice matters. We need to be able to express ourselves and not be censored, not just in writing, but also face to face. What happened to agree to disagree? Some people use the term hate speech to shut people down because they don't want to hear it. That is a form of censorship. I'm sorry, but when we express our concerns, it is not hate speech. Day by day, things have progressed to where we are today. And some of us are waking up. Some of us have realized, oh, wait a minute. That should not be. What's going on around me? It's like this awakening is happening. And I'm hoping more and more people start to wake up. Now, I could go on and on and on about socialism and who I think they are going to get to replace Biden and blah, 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 blah. But I'm not going to go there. Let's get back to Independence Day and what led up to it. Before 1776, during the Revolution, I think it was 1774, the Continental Congress was formed. And it was later in, I think it was 1775, the Second Continental Congress was formed. They were the answer to the British. Oh boy, I'm seeing a lot of similarities to what's going on today, but I'll keep my mouth shut. I need to stay on topic. Okay, so the British, they tried to close the port of Boston, and it caused a lot of resentment with the colonies, aka Americans. On July 2nd, the Congress had voted in favor of independence from the British. It was drafted up by Thomas Jefferson with the help of members John Adams, Benjamin Franklin, and a few others.
Good morning. What a good girl. That's a good girl.
2 days later, July 4th, the Declaration of Independence was finished. However, the marking of the first days of independence during the summer of 1776 actually took the form in many towns of a mock funeral for a king whose death symbolized the end of monarchy and tyranny and the rebirth of liberty. Sound familiar? I mean, personally, for myself, I can't speak for others, but 4th of July represents freedom. Freedom from what is to come. Freedom that I am so desperately holding on to. That is 4th of July for me. So when I celebrate 4th of July, and we have the fireworks, and we have family, and we have our barbecue, and so on, I feel euphoria. It's it's hard to explain, but I just am holding on to what I hold dear to my heart. I think about those in 1776. During the early years of the Republic, Independence Day was celebrated with parades and toasting and ceremonies that celebrated the existence of a new nation. Today, our nation's being destroyed through economics, our food system, our health care, and right now I am stopping myself from saying more because I do not want to have any Karens go after me. Oh, who am I kidding? They're going to get upset anyway. You know, a lot of people at work watch my videos, and they're going to find out what I truly believe. And I can just hear it from my mother right now. Hi, Mom. So I'm going to talk about why we celebrate 4th of July with fireworks. And this is a quote from John Adams. I am apt to believe that it will be celebrated by succeeding generations as the great anniversary festival. And then he goes on about all the different ways to celebrate. And then he says, there will be illuminations from one end of this continent to the other from this time forward forevermore. Now, doesn't that sound like a prediction? Well, I hope you liked my history lesson. That wasn't planned, but I decided, heck, it is 4th of July and I'm going to share. I hope you all are staying safe, having a good night with family and friends and full of cheer. But please don't drink and drive. For more information on our nation, you can do the research, learn your history. Please do not forget it, or history will repeat itself like it is right now.
Good girls. That's some good puppies for staying. Yes. Ha! Thief. Flora. Girls. Hey, look over here. Look over here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Watermelon for a hot day to come. Try to keep it clean. Flora, you getting that one over there? Okay. Okay, you missed it. There you go. Fresh water, vitamins, even soak some feed, put it on the ground for them to forage, and watermelon with their sugar snap peas. Thank you, ladies. You have a good day, okay? You have an awesome day. Yes. You promise? Okay. Good morning, everyone, and happy 4th of July. As you noted, this video is a little different. I haven't had much time in the mornings before work, so I just get a little bit done at a time, and I decided to take you along with me. It's going to get hot. Every day it gets a little warmer and a little warmer, and now we are in the 80s, and tomorrow we'll be in the 90s, and then this weekend we'll be in the 100s. Every day it seems to be like 5 to 10 degrees up. Basically what I want to do is make sure that the animals are taken care of, that they're not going to overheat, the chickens and the rabbits. Also, I need to make sure that the garden is well watered and ready to go. And today, if I have time, I would like to put in some peppers that I may have bought at a nursery, and put up a green stalk because I finally got some plants. I took advantage of a sale, end of season sale with some sage and a pineapple sage. Actually 3 different kinds, and some thyme, and yeah, anyway, I'll go over them later. And there's so much to do. I also have a very weedy area in the in-ground garden that needs to be taken care of. I have cardboard that I've been saving in the greenhouse, and I've taken it out. I'm trying to clean out the greenhouse and put the cardboard into the in-ground garden, which eventually I will probably mulch over or something, and then I'll put some raised beds out there too, because my back is not taking it, leaning down for long periods of time. I can maybe muster a few minutes and I got to get back up. So raised beds it is, but that's in the future. By the way, how you doing? You okay, Flora? Constantly spooking you. Yeah, there you go. Good girl. Okay, all 3 of you have 2 waterers. And we're going to give you some treat today that you're going to love. Okay. Okay, what time is it? It's only 11:10, and it's already getting pretty hot out here, so I'm going to go inside and edit. But I just filled up the barrel here with feed and scratch, mixed them together. It's just regular corn. It's not the special stuff I throw on the ground. What do you want, baby? What do you want? You want something? I don't think you know what this is. Yeah. Just oyster shells. Let's put it in that thing there. Okay. Get them around. Help you grow some eggs. Give you your calcium you need. Yeah, oyster shells. You're such good girls. Okay, that's enough. Probably overdoing it. One here, because I know you'll pick it right away, because you love this stuff. And this is to help you with omega-3 and get those beautiful eggs for your mama. We're gonna put it in the water. It's already dirty, you guys. Oh, maybe not. There you go. Yeah, and that should give you some more moisture during a heat wave.
I bought a huge watermelon to hopefully last the next 4 days. So I'll just cut it up in quarters and give them a quarter a day. And I'm hoping this will help. I really worry about these little boogers when I'm at work because I'm not there to tend to them.
Well, hello, Flora. Are you doing the deed? It's about time. You're the last one. The other two already laid their eggs. Yeah. Oh. I found yesterday's mug. I'm thinking that's gonna wrap up this week. I have a long weekend. I get the 4th of July off. And then I have to go back to work on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and so on. Not sure when my next day off is, but anyway, I want to say, remember to plant kindness, to grow love. God bless, and have an awesome day. Until next time.